You still running 6-week challenges, throwing money at meta ads and wondering why your lead flow has dried up? The truth is, what worked in 2018 just doesn't work anymore. Ads cost more, engagement has dropped, and clients are getting smarter. So if you're frustrated, wondering why your marketing isn't working anymore, stick with me. In this video, I'll break down exactly why fitness businesses are struggling for leads in 2025 and give you a 3-step game plan to fix it. Hit the like button if you've noticed that your usual marketing just isn't working anymore. It helps more trainers see this video. Let's be real, there was a time when fitness pros could simply run a 6-week challenge, throw some money at meta ads, and boom, clients would roll in. But in 2025, crickets, and here's why. Firstly, the market is oversaturated and consumers are smarter. 6-week challenges, clients have seen them 100 times. They know the drill, quick results, upsells, then back to square one. People are just tired of gimmicks. They want long-term, sustainable coaching. Secondly, paid ads have lost their edge. Meta ads used to be cheap and powerful. Now, unless you're a pro, you're probably just wasting money. Ad costs are up, conversions are down, and privacy updates have made targeting harder than ever. Thirdly, clients buy from experts, not ads. People don't just buy a workout plan anymore. They buy from people they trust. The fitness pros winning in 2025, they aren't running gimmicky ads. Instead, they're building an audience. Fourth, high-value clients want more than a workout plan. If you're constantly chasing low-ticket, high-churn clients, you're fighting an uphill battle. Premium clients, those paying $500 to $2,000 per month, want accountability, expert coaching, and real transformation. So if meta ads and 6-week challenges are out, what actually works? Let's break that down. All right, let's get into it. If you want to build a profitable, sustainable fitness business in 2025, here's what you need to do instead. Firstly, build a personal brand that attracts clients on autopilot. Step 1, stop being just another trainer. The best fitness pros today are building personal brands that position them as the go-to expert. How? Through YouTube, that's long-form authority building content. Through X and LinkedIn, thought leadership and high-value posts. Through email marketing, relationship building, and long-term sales. If you want a clear strategy for this, check out my fitness building content marketing playbook for the full system. Secondly, build and grow your email list. It's your number one marketing asset. Social media rents your audience whilst email owns it. If your entire business relies on Instagram or Facebook, you're at risk. How? Offer a lead magnet, for example, a 12-week workout guide or habit tracker. Send weekly emails to nurture your audience and drive sales. Convert subscribers into paying clients with value-packed content. Want a full breakdown of this? Grab my fitness business email marketing playbook to get started. Thirdly, stop selling time, start selling scalable products. Most trainers burn out because they only sell time for money services. The real key to growth, build scalable offers. How do you do that? If it's low ticket, that's $27 to $97 through programs, meal plans, lead magnets. Through mid-ticket, that's $97 to $497 through courses, memberships, and hybrid coaching. In high ticket, that's $1,000 plus VIP days, premium one-to-one, and masterminds. If you need help structuring this, check out my fitness business growth playbook. Let's recap. If you want to grow your fitness business in 2025 without wasting time on outdated strategies, step 1, audit your marketing. Are you relying on ads and challenges that don't work? Step 2, shift to authority and email marketing. Start building your audience instead of chasing leads. Step 3, productize your knowledge by creating scalable offers and stop trading time for money. So here's what I want you to do next. Take my free fitness marketing impact scorecard to see exactly where you're leaving money on the table and, perhaps most importantly, how to fix it. Click the link below to get early access. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's been your biggest marketing struggle lately? I'll be responding to as many as I can.